Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my fridge. I hope you enjoy. So the first step that I took was to take all the food out of the fridge and put them on the countertop. And the second step, I had to take all the trays and the glass shelves out, and then I started cleaning. But before I started cleaning, you can actually see how dirty the fridge was. And I guess, when you've got the trays in there, you've got the shelves, you don't actually see how dirty the fridge is. But once everything was out, I could see at the bottom of the fridge, on the fridge walls inside, the trays were just dirty. So I'm going to tackle it, and come along with me. Once I started cleaning the shelves, the glass shelves, I realized that they were very dirty, especially at a close range when I was removing the white clips. A lot of dirt and spillages had gone inside, and I did struggle to clean them because at the time I didn't have a kitchen brush. So I did my best with the sponge. They did look better, and most of the dirt did come off. But in a kitchen, it's bound to happen, especially when you've got kids. And even with adults, we do make spillages as well. And we tend just to wipe on top without realizing that spillages could have gone inside. And on this one, that was milk, which was quite really dry and difficult to remove. But with scrubbing, it did come off. So that's life, isn't it, when the kitchen is in use constantly? And the fridge is one of the things that every day each one of us will open, and we leave our marks in there. But the trays are back in, the shelves are back in, and all that's left now is to put the food back in the fridge, and everything is now looking sparkling clean. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.